Okay, y'all, I do not know how to do an intro, so this makeup video is going to be I think this is not gonna be a full glam. This is going to be a pull get ready with me video. Today's video is a little bit different. I always apply my foundation either with a brush or a beauty blender. This time I finally apply my makeup. I finally apply my foundation with my hand. I'm going to be honest with you guys, it is the best way to apply your foundation, but you're gonna have to wipe your hand real quick after that, otherwise everything going to be messy. As you can see, I have a white couch, my house, everything is white. So if you apply your foundation with your hand, please wash your hand real quick after that. And one thing I didn't do, I did not wipe my hand, so I did go ahead and jump straight to apply my concealer, just because I noticed when I apply my foundation with my hand, even though I was applying a dewy foundation, I noticed that what's the word that I'm looking for, the foundation set quickly versus when I apply a brush or a beauty blender. I have enough room to blend out my concealer. So that's one thing I did realize. By the way, you guys, how beautiful is the top on me? I feel like those bright color really make me look nice. I feel like it shows more of my complexion. So anyway, so that was my first time finally doing an intro. If you want to see, guys, if you want to see how I get this look, you guys just keep on watching. Mwah. That is usually how I start my makeup. I wanted you guys to see me bare face. I wasn't wearing anything there, and that was the up close look. And now I'm about to start the video. Just sit back, relax, and keep on watching. So you guys, I had to comment this voiceover real quick. As you noticed, that was my son. He was giving me my beauty blender. I attempted to put him to sleep several times, but he didn't want to. The show must go on. It's showbiz, baby. Anyway, so he was passing me the beauty blender, everything he could find. He was helping me do my makeup. So what is a better helper than your son helping you do your makeup, you guys? Anyway, like I said, he was passing me everything. I was just trying to do my makeup, but he was helping. So I just thought it would be funny to include that in the video instead of cropping it. I thought it was a sweet moment. Anyway, guys, just keep on watching. Usually, you guys, I don't do my eyebrow last, but today I wanted to start something different. To be honest, this whole makeup routine was a little bit different than what I usually do. I was doing my eyebrow last. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I think I like doing my eyebrow last than doing it first, because one thing I realized when I do my eyebrow first, I have to be very conscious on how I apply my makeup, because I don't want foundation to get in my eyebrow. Versus when I do it last, I think it's a little bit easier. It's different. And another thing too, I realize when I do my eyebrow first, my eyebrow get a little bit bigger, out of control. It's not proportionally fixed in my face. I don't really like that very much. I think I'm into the thin eyebrow vibe per se. I was just actually filling my eyebrow today. I basically filling all the empty spot, and then afterward I did go ahead with the concealer. I did not carve out the top of my eyebrow. I did notice when I carve out the top of my eyebrow it's too boxy versus when I only just do the bottom of my eyebrow. I think this makeup routine is going to stick, by the way. I really like the way my eyebrow look. Y'all, what do you guys think? Like I said, I was just going to cough out under my eyebrow. That was me coughing, by the way, y'all. With all that powder and trying to film, I need a little cough. Not because I have a cold. I have a cold, y'all. And then I did go ahead with the gel and eyebrow setter, and I just set my eyebrow, and it was very nice. I really like my eyebrow today, you guys. What do you guys think? Do you guys prefer me doing my eyebrow first, or do you guys prefer me doing it last? I want to hear from you. And of course, my beauty mark did fade away, you guys. After I apply all that makeup, I had to go back and reapply it. Like I said, it's part of my personality. Whenever my beauty mark disappear, I feel like I lose a little bit of myself. I have to reapply it. I think I've said the story several times. Growing up, I couldn't wait to remove it just because I hated it. Now that I'm an adult, all the thing I didn't like about myself, I think I grew to like them. Oh Lord, that is pretty scary applying mascara, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Look at this mess. That looks pretty scary. Sorry if I scare you guys. I'm just going to apply some mascara, and I'm gonna do the bottom, of course, because you don't want top to be fluffy and then the bottom to be empty, y'all. So I'm just going to apply and apply. And I did go ahead with a different coat of foundation, a different brand of, not foundation, a different brand of mascara, just because I felt like the Clinique one wasn't applying enough, or maybe it's because I've had that one for such a long time. Look at makeup on my son's face, by the way. He literally was using the beauty blender and apply it on his face. He was copying everything that I was doing. Children learn through observing. That is one thing I've realized as being a mom, a first time mom. Everything you do, they'll mimic anything that you do. This foundation that's in his forehead, I didn't put it there. He literally grabbed my beauty blender and he was patting it on his forehead. I thought it was funny. And I'm going to put my hair down. I don't know why that was a quick jump, you know. What do you guys think? That is me in the bathroom. Y'all, I just realized that I forget to set my face because I'm gonna be in the pool. I'm gonna need to set this whole thing. Me attempting to be cute. If you guys want to see more of this video, please let me know. Thank you so much, like always, for watching. I will see you guys on my next videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below on what you guys want to see from me next. Mwah! Love you guys.